I'm Liviu Constantinescu. I work as the DevOps lead at Animal Logic, a media and entertainment firm. At Animal Logic, every employee is in some way both an artist or aspiring screenwriter or technical illustrator or concept artist, or everyone's got their story and everyone has a technological element to their work and a passion about technology and being able to create beautiful things. So extending that technology stack and introducing new, more modern elements like the cloud and machine learning and the ability to cut out a lot of the the grunt work. Those sorts of things are what Amazon, I know you guys call undifferentiated heavy lifting, right? And to take away more of that from the artists and give them more space to be creative, that's really the purpose of tech in movies. So I owe my life in tech to my dad. He built us a computer, a Commodore 64, more or less from scrap parts which he got on the black market. It was communist Romania. It was quite a difficult thing. Having a computer was pretty rare, and I was one of the only kids, to have this opportunity to sort of grow up with one and be able to, I was playing little video games and things to teach me math and reasoning, and I ended up coding little apps for these sorts of things all the way through my childhood. So I was kind of a programmer right from the start. So I've been in medicine and I've been in media, which are both, the patient data can't get out, the movie can't get out, right? But it's also it's very important these days that all the companies kind of open themselves up to this capability to use services from the outside instead of having to kind of reinvent the wheel on everything. Animal Logic used to build everything in-house. We'd have, our own versions of all the little tools and widgets, and it's not our core business, right? We shouldn't have to kind of rebuild entire tech stacks just to get what we want done internally because, we can't afford for data to leave the buildings, which means partnering with people like Amazon and the like is actually pivotal, right? They've hit all these walls before us, and companies like Amazon really kind of define the gold standard, I think, for how to do security, how to build out architectures. And the fact, I think, that especially with this Cloud Alliance and other programs that I've been a part of, the ability to work directly with Amazon's engineers to solve problems, and also to interface with people in your own industry and other industries who might otherwise have been completely unable to even talk about their work. Being able to work with other engineers in other companies in a private and trusted context actually means that technology doesn't have to be a casualty in that sense. It's possible to share these achievements and things and actually kind of share our technologies and approaches without worrying about security. So I think the really interesting part is just how ubiquitous not just technology, but technology companies have become in our lives. And when I think about technology, I think about how to work with these companies productively and positively to make the world a better place.